haven't had any lunch today. This is simply because I'm going to a street food festival today that is in my city, and I am so excited for that. I hope they have some vegan food, or vegan drinks, whatever. And I'm going to record everything and take pictures of everything I ate or drink for Instagram and TikTok, because it's July and I decided to be back with some content on there this month. Or starting this month, more of. Yeah. I'm leaving. I have to leave in a couple of minutes for a hair appointment that I have today, and I'm very, very excited for that because I'm gonna be getting a fresh cut, and it's so necessary for my hair to just get a fresh and clean cut. I don't cut my own hair. I'm afraid I'm gonna do something wrong, so I'm always going to my hairstylist. And we also gonna reapply the dark blue. I could do this myself, I just didn't want it to. I just never really had time to do that, so today, whenever we make a new appointment now, we always make sure to have a couple spare minutes to reapply the dark blue, and that's what we're gonna do today, and I'm beyond excited for that. I just need to get my bag packed and make some breakfast to take with me on the go, and then I'll be gone and head out the door. So this is what my hair looks like now after the hair appointment. I actually had beach waves in my hair, but they somehow, I don't know. I love it. I love it so much. It's so pretty, but it looks really dark on camera, so I don't know if you can really catch the actual beauty of it. So I try to find a good light where I can show you the true beauty of the dark blue hair. I don't know, I hope you can see it. Hope it doesn't look like pitch black on camera. I'm about to leave for my practical driving test. The very last bit that I need to complete in order to finally have my driver's license. I'm a little bit in a hurry. I need to leave like right now, and I'll update you when I get back. I failed my driving test, by the way. I'll just do it again and then I'll pass, I'm pretty sure about it. It's sad though, but that's okay. There's worse things in life than that. Hey guys, what's up? I'm Hannah. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to Bowls&Plants. I just finished working on this Instagram post. Hello people. Time to do a little unboxing. I've ordered a couple things over the past few days, and all of them have arrived now. And I thought I'm gonna unbox them with you together. Then I ordered jeans. And I know it's weird to order jeans in July, but I just saw them, I loved them. I needed to get them because they were almost out of stock. And I'm so excited, and you're gonna see very soon why I love them so much. They look incredibly small. Oh my god, they look small. This is what they look like on me. I love them. They fit. The only thing, as you can tell, They are a little long. They're a little bit too long for me, but I'll just let my grandma shorten them for me. And the last two things that I got are 2 pairs of shoes, and I'm so excited because I've been wanting both of these shoes for so long. This is how the shoes look put on. I love them. This is what the brown ones look like. They're so cool. I'm in love.